Hello everybody, this is Christy from kitty_plans on Instagram. I do memory planning in my A5 wide planner and city stickers inserts. And for this week, the second week of December, I am using this beautiful kit from Saucy Stickers Co. It is called Warm Wishes, and of course, it's a Christmas themed one. So yeah, do stick around while I put down the base, and I'll talk to you in a while. Alright, so for the rest of the base, I started off, so this kit doesn't have the normal bottom washi. So I did use this checkered or what do you call this kind? Plaid stickers just for my kind of bottom washi base so that the stickers, like the deco stickers, wouldn't be on the edge of the page. So that's why I used that really pretty plaid sticker as a base. And then I just put on some deco from the kit. So my go-to kind of pattern is having through the center, because big stickers on the corner, the center. And then as you can see here, a full box, because I also got the full boxes of the kit, which was sold separately, just because I wanted to make like a spread for this memory planning, what do you call this, my planner layout, and usually I thought I would be needing the full boxes, but now that I think about it, there's so much deco that I could use that I wouldn't need the full boxes anymore. It was just at the time, I think when I bought this, I'm like, yeah, I think I need the full boxes to make a, a regular spread. But then once I got the deco kit and got this really huge deco stickers, I'm like, yeah, next time I won't buy the full boxes anymore, but they still look really pretty. The full boxes are still really pretty, and it is gold foiled. I got the gold foil on it. And yeah, I just put down the rest of the deco and this lovely, all this deco hanging from the, like a like the, what do you call this one, the stars, the balls, and the bells. I just love it. It's so chaotic, but I just love how it looks. So yeah, that is it for my base, and I'll talk to you today. Okay, so let's start off with Monday. On Monday, I got some happy mail from Paper Trail Plants, and that really cute icon, I believe, is from. Where is that from? Paper Muse Crafts, maybe? I'm not sure anymore. But the Happy Mail script is from Paper Trail Plants. So if you do want to get those kinds of scripts, I do have a code that you can use to save more. Christy 15, CRISTY 15. All right, I did also go on a grocery run. Um, and I don't know why did I go for groceries? I needed something there. And then I had a Starbucks run as well. On Tuesday, got some Happy Mail again. Yes, that's very good. And I got it from Sadie stickers, and they were the very first that came from the Black Friday sale. So yeah, Sadie stickers are always quick in sending out their stickers. So yeah, if you want to get some kits that you need really quickly, you can rely on their shipping quickly. I was also able to upload my planner stack. So if you want to watch that, it's like all the notebooks that I'll be using for the year. And then I did upload that. And then I was also able to edit, oh goodness, some plan with me's. I had a lot of plan with me's to edit. And then on Wednesday, I was reading Silver Elite. So Silver Elite is a fantasy book which I didn't really enjoy because I just found it lacking like in world building maybe. I and you know it's like what else? Well, let me just read my where did I put that? I write down stuff about what I read now so that I wouldn't forget. So yeah, so I didn't really know what the plot was about and what they were fighting for. So it's again another class scenario in types. And I didn't know what they were trying to accomplish, who the enemy was. So yeah, just a lot of not like the world building wasn't not enough. I needed a lot more of details. I guess I'm so used to like world building that All right, so that was Silver Elite. And then it was again another snowy day. And I did get a cake from our neighbor. It was a mint butter cake. So good. And then on Thursday, again, another set of Happy Mail from Saucy Stickers Co. And I was watching Next Gen Chef, which again is another really fun cooking show. I just love cooking shows. So if you're going to be um, watching the next few spreads, I'll probably be watching a cooking show or a cooking contest show where the chefs are so young. They're just like out of their out they're very young with some experience, and they're like trying to figure out who will be the next gen chef, right? So they did hold it in this very pretty campus, which is the Culinary Institute, Culinary CIA, Culinary Institute. Oh my gosh, why did I forget it? Anyway, my friend will get angry at me for forgetting what's it. Culinary Institute of Arts. Maybe that's what it stands for. And then I was able to film another plan with me. So I was just catching up on plan with me's, and then by what day am I on now? Friday. Yeah. So on Friday again, Happy Mail. Wow, this has been a nice Happy Mail week for me. And I was able to edit plan with me. So a lot of plan with me is a lot of filming, and then we had some family cuddles that night while watching maybe something on TV. And then on Saturday, went on a Starbucks run. And what else happened on Saturday? More filming. So, filming more of my plan with me's because, yes, I was very delayed in my plan with me's, my planner setups, or my plan with me layouts, and then got some takeout from Portillo's. And yeah, that was it for Saturday. I just love those those, like, what do you call this deco, the cluster deco, or at least the small deco. I think those were from, is it Sadie Stickers maybe, or Pretty Pink Co. All right, so on Sunday, I was listening to The Great Alone. That is by Christine Hanna, and she does historical drama. And oh my gosh, this is another great book. It's set in Alaska, and it's about a family that moved there, and their family dynamics and how how tragic it was. It's just, when you read a Christine Hanna book, expect tragedy, but it's so good. It's so good how she writes her stories, and you learn about all the things that happens in life, and it's a great story. I really like that book. And then I was able to film another Plan With Me. And this time we were watching Knives Out, which was the third installment, the one with Josh Brolin. But it was good. It's another good movie. And yeah, this is the leftovers from the kit. I didn't use the alcohol ink swatches, so yeah, this is it for my Plan With Me. This is the warm wishes from Saucy Stickers Go. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.